up the candles and make slant lines on candles and write happy birthday. And now take a pink or your any favorite color, make the flowers like this and every side of the paper you can make any shape of flowers. I'm making round shape. And then take green and mark it like this as shown in this video and complete it and make its sleeve super attractive, looking attractive. I have done, and now color the candles. As I am coloring with blue, you can color with any colors. Color yellow and then color orange. It will give a great and attractive. And like this you can also draw rainbow and make hearts and highlight with any color. Color the flower. Then take yellow color to color the flower and also highlight. Take yellow and highlight. You can also highlight with your favorite colors. I am highlighting with pink and yellow and red. And now the greeting card is completed. Take a look of it. Oh, it's looking so gorgeous. Try it. And also subscribe if you are not done now. And hit the like button, comment down. Check out my recent video. Please comment to motivate me. See you in the next video. Bye.